How to convert PDF to Word document without losing formatting. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word document without losing formatting. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. And then, on the search bar, you're going to search for I love PDF. Or, just search for Open I love PDF. And then, I love PDF has no spaces. Just a reminder. Once you're done typing, you will now be led to the search results, and then click on the first link that says ilovepdf.com. In here, there are options on what to do with your PDF. On the first option, it says PDF to Word. Just click on it. And then in here, you will need to upload your PDF file. Just click on Select PDF File and then browse your PC as to where you can find your PDF file. And then, the next step is to convert it to Word. And now, you will need to wait for iHeartPDF to finish converting your PDF. Then, download it as a Word file by selecting the button. And then as you can see on the lower left, you can now open your documents file. It is now in Word, no longer a PDF. Now wait for it to finish loading. And as you can see over here, we can already open our very own Word document of the PDF file. And now you can do anything that you want with this Word file. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.